Let's make tender, flavorful baby back ribs dripping in a smoky, savory barbecue sauce. The best part, this all comes together in less than 30 minutes in the Instant Pot. First, coat the ribs in a dry rub mixture. This provides incredible flavor and helps to get a crispy crust. Then transfer the ribs into the Instant Pot, and we're going to cook on high pressure for 25 minutes. When they're done, you remove them from the Instant Pot, looking so good already, and now we're going to coat them in barbecue sauce. This is homemade barbecue sauce, by the way, made in less than 15 minutes and way better than store-bought. And we want these ribs to be dripping in barbecue sauce, so make sure you coat both sides, and then we're going to put them in the oven for about 5 minutes on a high broil. This caramelizes the barbecue sauce and seals in the flavor. Now I'll slice them, and you can see just how tender and juicy and flavorful these baby back ribs are. Now they're ready to enjoy. Serve with some extra barbecue sauce and some homemade honey cornbread.